Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 ANDELI welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected ANDELI Smart TIG 250PL. Product details. Brand name, ANDELI. Certification, C. Origin, CN origin. Is smart device, no. Usage, welding material. Model number, TIG 250PL. Dimensions, 500 x 238 x 390. Arc current, 10200A. Voltage, 220 volts. Item number 2 is ANDELI MCT520DPL/MCT520DPC. Product details. Brand name, ANDELI. Certification, C. Rated duty cycle, 60%. Is smart device, no. Usage, welding. Pulse frequency, 0.1 to 100. Model number, MCT520DPC. Dimensions, 489 x 210 x 327. Arc current, 200A. Voltage, 220 volts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have ANDELI MIG Welding Machine. Product details. Brand name, ANDELI. Weight, 5 kilograms. Wire feeding speed, 18 m per minute. Model number, MIG-250E. Dimensions, 440 x 265 x 325. Usage, welding materials. Power factor, 0.75. No load voltage, V, 60. Output current range, A, 5 to 250. Voltage, 220 volts. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.